How's it going, guys? It's Dr. Nguyen with Healthy Feet Podiatry, and I got another special treat for you today. We got a pair of exceptionally long nails on exceptionally long nails? Alright, let's take a look. I would like to welcome, so she hasn't had her nails cut in over a year. Let's come over this way in case you get a better view this way. So yeah, a little long. This one's actually covering this one. It's like a little hat for the second toe, like toe hat. And we got some nails over here too. But you know what? She came to the right place, and we're gonna take good care of her today. Okay.
Finally.
Yay! So again, would like to welcome this new family to Tampa. They have been here, what, 3 weeks? 3 weeks, okay. So Tampa, believe it or not, is one of the fastest growing cities in America. I read a stat that 150 people are moving to Tampa every single day.
My gosh.
I know, right? So that's why like the houses are like going crazy here.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll start from right to left per usual, or her left, my right. And we'll just trim. Bloop. She is diabetic, so of course you always want to be careful trimming these nails. You don't want to be doing it at home. You want to leave it up to a professional. But yes. Oh, yeah, look at this one. So where are you guys coming from? Chicago. Oh. Cold. Suburbs or a city or suburb, right?
Yes.
Yeah. One of my friends tricked me into going into a wedding there. He was like, yeah, it's going to be in Chicago.
Oh, excuse me.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Let me know if it hurts, okay? I'll be gentle. I'll try to be gentle at least. And sure enough, I buy my ticket. I get to Chicago. It's not in Chicago. It's in the suburbs. It's like in Barrington or like a million miles away from the actual city. I was like, this is terrible. This is not fun. So I got stuck going to that wedding. Oh, this one. But welcome to Tampa.
Yeah.
You liking it so far?
Yeah, very much. Very much.
One thing you won't have to deal with is the cold. No snow.
It was a bad winter too.
Was it?
Yeah.
I mean, it gets hot here, but you know, you don't have to shovel.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, I know. I'm sorry. No waking up at like 6 in the morning to shovel snow.
Right. Right.
Is that like an actual thing? People actually do that? Oh gosh.
Yeah. 4 in the morning.
4 in the morning?
Really
Oh. And you have to do it every day. Otherwise you don't go anywhere.
If it keeps snowing out.
Yeah, there's no way you can tell me that living up north is better than Florida.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah, I mean, it gets hot here, but there's AC.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, your butt sweats a little bit, but you know. You go to the beach here. There's no beach up there. What's the closest beach up there? Like Lake Michigan?
Yeah.
That's not a beach. It's a lake. All right, look at this
I grew
one.
up on Lake Winnebago, so
It's a hat.
I have water.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Cold water.
What?
Cold
Yeah.
water.
Yeah. Well, no, actually, well, in the summer, when the sun beat down on it, it wasn't that cold, you know. So by end of June, it was warming up.
Warm enough.
Uh-huh. And in July, it was pretty warm.
We have Portillo's down here.
Yeah, I've seen that.
We're like one of is there another city that has Portillo's?
I don't know.
What?
Portillo's.
What? Hot dogs.
Hot
Oh,
dogs.
yeah. Portillo's, yeah.
Yeah, we have them here. Why, of all places, Tampa? I don't know. There's a lot of transplants like you guys here, that's why.
That's right. Oh.
Okay. This has got to be... How long is this? We're going to measure it.
And in a little town called Tachita,
Almost 4
whose
centimeters.
only claim to fame was that it was the home of the Wisconsin State Women's Prison.
Oh, what happened? Sorry.
Yeah, that's right. It was its only claim to fame.
Now
Yeah.
people are not going to hold you back.
Right. Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, I'm sorry. So I'm gonna chip away at this. Ooh.
Oh, sorry.
Be careful.
Yeah, it's all nail underneath there. I gotta look underneath the hood. Ooh. Are you okay over there?
Oh my god, I'm so happy you sat there.
You're in the splash zone.
Did I know we need to hand out goggles?
Swear I didn't do that on purpose.
No, it's okay.
She's scarred for life now.
See? What are the dangers of a podiatrist? I wonder how many podiatrists have actually gone blind
Yeah, right.
from a toenail. I'm sure it's happened. Yeah, look at this fungal junk in there.
Oh my god.
Oh. Oh,
As everybody runs out of the room.
yeah.
You have to watch. Oh, I can't.
Didn't you come in saying, I want to watch this?
I'll subscribe to this channel.
I never walk there.
Subscribe.
I always walk with.
Healthy Feet Podiatry. What'd you say? You always walk with your...
No, I never walk barefoot
Oh, yeah.
around the house.
Really? I don't know how you don't. Like, as an Asian guy,
Right? No.
like, you're not allowed to wear shoes in the house. Like, if you do, like, my mom would, like, beat me.
Oh,
It's just, it's like, you know, before you step inside a Asian household, you got to take off your shoes and leave them at the front door.
oh,
Yeah, it's a thing.
I'm sorry. I apologize. It's just doing it.
Does
No.
it hurt?
It's, yeah.
Does it hurt?
Does it hurt, Mother?
No.
No.
Well, let's be honest. Does it hurt?
Yeah, you gotta let me know if it
It
hurts.
hurts a little bit?
Yeah.
Is she gonna get an infection?
Oh, no. I'm not drawing any blood at all. That's,
Okay.
yeah, it's just some of these nails are a little thick, so I'm trying my best not to, like, hurt her, but, like, I gotta put a little bit of, like, you gotta let me know, okay?
Oh, God, I'm sorry. I'm trying
No,
not to.
you
It's just
you don't gotta apologize. I know it happens. You're not the first, and you're not the last person to, you know, you get some of my patients have like these involuntary like reactions, especially when I start to file on you. So, okay, let's move.
Oh, I'm sorry. It tickles.
See, that was just ticklish. Okay, let's go next door case. Okay, there. All right.
I'm sorry.
No. So yeah, you'll enjoy Florida a lot. The food isn't as good, but we got a lot to do here. It's getting better every day. You can go to Disneyland if you want.
That's true.
Oh.
You at the beach. We have like a lot of like outdoorsy things to do.
Yes,
Like a lot of people like go boating. They'll go kayaking, biking. How much of that stuff I actually do myself? None. Yeah, so for it.
But you're a good sell for the area.
Yeah.
Right?
I'm gonna
Are you taking a picture? No, I'm just taking a mental picture.
come on over and take a look. You know, you can stand. You can stand over here if you want. It's okay.
One moves closer, the
Oh
other
my
one moves
God.
further away.
I'm not Tati.
This is how I'll show you how I aim nails when I.
Right.
Okay, so I'm slowly chipping away at the nail right now, underneath it, because it's really loose. Okay, doing all right, ma'am?
Mom, are you
I'm fine. You people are the ones who are.
I'm okay.
Talking about my
Imagine being
daughter
a
and my granddaughter, right?
imagine being a foot doctor getting grossed out by toes, right?
Oh, that one hurt, yeah.
Sorry.
Uh-huh.
Yep. Do we need a
Gee.
do we need a barf bag for you or anything?
We have them.
We have them just in case. They're usually for the patients, but you know.
Oh man,
but if you need it.
We'll double the copay if you can use this one first.
Here we go. Let's aim it. This will kill somebody. It's got a sharp end on it too. It's got an arrowhead on there. It looks like one of those ancient arrowheads that you find at the park. We're just having fun. A little too much fun, huh? Aren't you guys came here?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
How'd you find us?
Actually, the home United Healthcare, they have a home health visit
Oh,
once a year,
okay.
and she recommended you guys.
Oh, good.
Yeah, she had your card and everything. Was nice.
Perfect.
Sorry.
No, you don't gotta apologize. This one's just taking a little bit more time because I'm not trying to hurt you here.
No, you're not hurting me. I'm waiting to be hurt right now. I'm just kidding.
This one's a little thick, so I gotta take a little bit more time on it.
How you doing now?
Oh, you take something in? Are you taking pictures, Tom?
Not of you.
Yeah, right.
Who knew that going to the podiatrist would be an event, right?
Yeah, this is the best.
I'm sorry. I'm twitching and I can't stop.
No. I apologize. So we're chipping away. Chip. There we go. This is the part that's gonna shoot. Looking better already.
Good.
So
It couldn't look any worse.
yeah. How'd they feel in the shoes? They
It
couldn't.
didn't bother you?
Didn't bother you walking, or huh?
Well, my shoes are pretty wide. You know what I mean? They're,
Yeah, you have the.
you know, you notice that the
Yeah,
toes
yeah.
are, they don't.
So you guys have done anything fun yet so far while you've been down here?
Not much. I mean, we've gone out to dinner a couple times.
Okay.
That's about it.
Yeah.
I mean, it's been raining, so
Right,
that's
yeah,
that's
this season probably didn't.
yeah, it's the one bad thing that you get about before you get the showers. It's like 2 hours of raining and then that's it. And it's sunshine for the rest of the day.
Not this week.
Not this week. Okay.
I'm sorry.
Oh no. I'm sorry. I'm sorry if I'm hurting you. Try not to. That's never
You're not
the
hurting me. I just,
good. Excellent.
at least not so far.
Okay. We'll get the rest with the file there if need be. Uh-huh. Let's see. And did you say you did have a podiatrist upstairs, right?
Well, no,
No?
just when she was in White, she was in the, I tried to get one before we left, but
Oh.
nobody called me back.
Oh, it's okay.
There was a podiatrist that I used once, but they never called. I kept leaving messages.
Oh, yikes. That's not good.
I probably should have tried somebody else.
For FYI, for all the businesses out there, if you want customers and patients, you gotta return the calls, right? Business 101. I think they tell you that the first day. Stay open and return phone calls.
Oh, good. Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, no, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
That was running, digging into her skin there. That was really thick, so I took it at a weird angle. I apologize. Not my intentions.
Yeah.
Was it easy getting an appointment at our office?
Yes, very easy.
Good. Did you call today? Yesterday?
No, we called last week. We actually had one for Monday, but then we changed it because Toddy wasn't in town. And
Oh.
I wanted to make sure I could get her.
You wanted to make sure that she was here to see all this.
Yeah.
All right, look at this one.
I'm sorry.
No.
I just,
This is like doing like a U, a curl. You could make this into. I don't know what you can make it into. You could slip it into like a box of macaroni and nobody will know the difference.
That's what I was thinking.
I'm sorry. I'm
No, you don't gotta apologize.
very,
I know it's. I see. There you go. So far, so good.
I would keep wearing those flip flops. What'd you say? I would keep wearing the flip flops.
I'm sorry.
Doing all right? All right, so now we are gonna find. Let's take a 2-second break, Case. Thanks for two. Ooh, did that
Oh,
hurt?
sorry,
Oh
no,
gosh,
no.
jeez, you're scaring
It
me.
was just cold and it's.
Thanks for tuning in, guys. Thank you for letting us watch. Welcome to Tampa. Hope you guys enjoy our sunshine, hospitality, nice
Yeah.
people, and everything else in between. But check out our feet. Just clean them a little bit here. So yeah, looking a lot better. Not as long.
Oh, yeah.
You know, not as smooth as we would like, but again, she couldn't tolerate the Dremel. But, you know, it's okay. A lot better than what it was.
Yes.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Healthy Feet Podiatry. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Healthy Feet Podiatry. And don't forget to follow mine Instagram at Dr. Bin, DOCTOR.BINH. Take care, guys.